Hello guys, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we will gonna see how to limit login attempt in WordPress. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left hand side over plugins, click add plugins option. Right side corner search plugins, enter the keyword limit login and search it. Install now on first plugin limit attempts reloaded. Once it is installed, you can prevent your unauthorized login attempts for your WordPress website. With this, you can easily secure your website. Once it is installed, click Activate option. Once the plugin is activated, click the setting of the plugin page. Setting page, scroll down a little. You will see the lockout option. You can change the allowed retries, minutes lockout and other options as per your website requirement. Here I am leaving the default option as it is. Click the save setting option. Once it is done, now I am going to log out of my WordPress account. Here on the username, enter your WordPress username. I am going to enter incorrect password. Here you will see the warning error 3 attempts remaining option. I am trying it right password. Now you can able to log in WordPress of the website using right credential. This is how you can prevent unauthorized access using limit login attempt plugin. If this video helps you, please like, comment, don't forget to click the subscribe button for more informative videos.